How to delete all old Facebook posts at once. In an age dominated by social media, our Facebook profiles serve as digital archives of our lives. Over the years, we accumulate countless posts, photos, and memories that paint a vivid picture of our personal journey. However, as time passes and our priorities change, some of these old Facebook posts may become obsolete, embarrassing, or simply need a refresh. Whether you want to declutter your digital history, protect your privacy, or reinvent your online identity, learning how to delete all old Facebook posts at once can be a game changer. In this guide, we'll explore the step by step process to help you achieve a digital clean slate, leaving only the posts that truly reflect who you are today. Let's get started. Currently, you can mass delete your Facebook posts using the desktop version of Facebook, but this doesn't mean you need a computer for it. It's more convenient when done on a computer, but you don't need one. You just have to change a setting in your phone browser to make it possible. So go ahead and log into Facebook using your phone browser. Go to your browser settings. It could appear as three dots if you're using Chrome. Then tap on the option Desktop Site or similar to that if you're using another browser. Now you should have the desktop version of Facebook. In your profile above your posts, tap the Manage Posts button. On the top right corner of the window, tap on Filters and select a year. You can also select a month and even date, but if you want to select all posts from that year, just leave the month like that. Then tap on Done. Below the Filters button, there's a Select All option. Tap on that, followed by Next at the bottom. Select Delete Posts and tap on Done. This can take a few seconds, and this window will disappear when it's done deleting. You can double check by viewing your posts from that year using the filter function again. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.